Hi friends, so today we are making this adorable throw pillow using Dollar Tree items. I cannot wait to show you how to do this. Super simple, it's gonna be a real quick video. Hi friends, oh my gosh, so the Dollar Tree has these adorable canvas bags, and they have several different types. Like I bought the olive oil and the Betty Boop, but they have Ghostbusters and a few other little ones, so make sure you check them out. And while they are not real large as far as to use like for a bag for like groceries or different things, they are the perfect size for some craft projects. And I have I think at least 3 different craft projects that I'm going to make out of these, so you're going to want to check out my other videos, but let's get started on this one. Okay, so for this project, you're going to need one of these bags, or as many as you want, right? But you just need one per project. You're going to need some scissors. I got these super cute ones at the Dollar Tree. You'll need some batting, or you can use like fluff from an old pillow. I love to save old pillows because I like really fluffy pillows, so we buy them fairly often. So you can use old fluff that came out of an old pillow, or some just regular batting. And then you're going to need a glue gun, sewing machine, or thread and needle. You can really use either one. It really doesn't matter. It's not a whole lot of thing. It's just so if you just want to use a regular needle and thread, that's fine. Or if you just want to use hot glue, that's fine too. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just take off these straps, and you can just use those. Do that with a pair of scissors. Alright, now we're just going to stuff it. Okay, once it is filled with as much or as little as you like, it just depends on how tight you want it, it is time to close it up. And like I said, you can sew it, you can hot glue it. Either one works just fine. That being said, if you do hot glue it, then it's probably not going to hold up to washing and drying. But that being said, little throw pillows, you don't wash a whole lot, real often anyway. But if you want to be able to wash it, then you would want to sew it. All right, there you go. I did choose to sew mine, so I got string there. But there you go. Check out how cute this is. Oh my gosh, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for lots more of these super easy crafts that are absolutely adorable. Bye, guys.